You do it in the milk carton and it surprised everyone. Here I'm using 4 glasses and each cup has 250 ml of hot water. In each glass I added a different gelatin flavor. Mix well until completely dissolved. Pass each gelatin into a different container and refrigerate until hardened. With the gelatin already firm, just cut it so it's cubed. After cutting everything, pass the gelatins to one container. Mix a little and reserve on the side. In a blender, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of sour cream, 100 ml of coconut milk, 100 ml of milk. Cover and let it beating. Then add 1 sachet of unflavored gelatin already hydrated. Let it beat a little more and can already turn off. Here I'm using 1 box of milk already empty. I added some gelatin and then some of the cream. Now just interpose between the gelatin and the cream. So it's already good and cover with plastic film. Refrigerate until hardened. When it's firm, cut the 2 sides with scissors. After cutting, it's just unformed. Look what this dessert looks. There's no way to resist. Do it at your house that I'm sure everyone will love. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.